Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here with some motor tips. Okay, I'm going back on a Mustang Sally over here. All right, the year, let me see what year is this one. This one is 2020. Okay, so I just finished welding the exhaust. So let's check it out and see. Check it out and see. Check it out. Let's hear the song how it goes. All right, check it out. 2020 Sally here. Want to see what it look like? Check it out. All right, that's the exhaust there. This part broke off in the back, so I fix it up. All right, I'm gonna start it up now and run it. This is a 5.0 carbon fiber hood. All right, it sounds good. So let's check it. Mine's a, I think 6-speed. Okay, let me get in here. All right, boom. Check it out. Oh, it doesn't want to start. I'm just kidding. Sounds good to me. All right, let's go for a ride. What do you think? I'm not going for a ride. I'm just gonna move it over here. Let's see. I get in trouble if I drive it. So I just make it out. My finger hit the button, maybe. We're going for a ride anyway. Let me see if I can go around this way. Check it out. Make a lot of noise. This is one guy that works here. Car. Let's see. 360. Go back in the shop. A lot of noise. It's not going anywhere. All right, that's it. You had enough fun here? Okay, good. All right, that's it for now.